deck level is one thing you need to ask yourself. And you say, of course I do. If you look back in the old days, you would see that people didn't have their front porch slash deck level because they wanted the rain to slide off, not to stay on their deck and then lose what wood was hard to come by, then lose it. You would have that choice if it's all, there's no place for the water to go. You might want to run it away from your house instead of letting it sit on your house. And then something like snow and ice and that kind of thing can melt, and literally the snow can be out on the outside edge more, and the water can't get back, so it ends up going back into your house. Again, these are things that I want to talk to you about. To keep that kind of thing from happening, you would put flashing on top of the frame of the deck, and then you put your finished material wood. You would sit on top of the flashing. That flashing goes up the wall. Now, sometimes you have to take siding off to get it up under the wall, the siding of the wall, but you need to get that done.